Welcome to raigurkul.com. In this video, we will discuss about how to automate project creation in Rally using testRigor. testRigor is an intelligent automation tool used for automating our manual activities. This application is having great feasibility to work non-technical person as well. It means without writing a single line of code, we can automate our stuff in plain English language. So we'll see here how to automate project creations in Rally. When we talk about the Rally application, this is a project management tool used for maximum enterprises who is working into software development or other requirements. Organizations are using this tool for agile methodology where all teams get together and collaborate and get it work done as soon as possible. So here we'll see how we can automate that stuff without writing single line of code. First, we will need testRigor account, and post that we have to install testRigor plugin. Post installation, we will get this icon is available here. So let me log in into the Rally and show you how we can create project manually. Post that I'll automate same stuff. Use post login. It will navigate us to home page where we can see setup icon is available here. From setup icon, select workspace and project, and from here we can select our demo workspace, and you can see I want to create project here only. So for creation of projects, we will need to click on create child project. So right now I clicked here. We have to enter the name, add the descriptions, and post that we have to define these state and other time boxes as well. After that, once I will click save and close, this project has been created successfully. So let's see how we can automate this stuff using testRigor. Right now, we are creating a playlist of testRigor where we can automate a major application. So if you want to learn more about testRigor, please watch my complete playlist. And if you're visiting first time to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. So for automating this stuff, here we have to click on start new recording. For automating my stuff or project creation stuff, I have to click on start recording. Once I will click on start recording, it will automate all of my manual stuff which I am doing here. So for post login, I will navigate it to the setup, and from here I will select workspace and project. From this, I will click on plus icon, enter the name. This is the project name, add description. Now select state. Then if you have any additional notes, you can add it here and click on save and close. So if you can see here, this is popping up and you can see project has been created successfully. Now let me stop my recording. So whatever steps it is recorded, it will show for me. Right now, I am giving the descriptions at create project for. Post that I have to make the changes inside my generated code. So what I can do, I will remove these all steps and I will keep here or write down the login page so that whenever the application is launched, it will enter the login information. I've already defined login credentials into my settings or authentication tab of testRigor. Now here both will need here. Then we have to click on just make the changes from here demo workspace. So right now I'm selecting demo workspace. Post that, click project. Here we have to enter the name. So before that, we have to select the actual projects where we are creating a child projects. So click second button on the right of project name, Sai project training. Now we are done with this. After that, rather than defining any fixed value, what we can do, we can use generate unique name. For More detail about generate unique name, you can refer testRigor documentations where you can find it out. Generate unique name will be available. Even we can use it for the email ID. If you want to generate unique email ID for automation need, we can also use it here. Then you want to generate a unique string or letter or number, we can also use this step. So these all complete descriptions has been provided by testRigor. We can follow it from their documentations. Now let's generate our unique name so that our code will work perfectly fine every time. So I will write it here, generate unique name, then enter into name field, post that and save as generated name. So we'll use here for verification point of view as well. Because of that, we are saving here. So this will be our command, and we don't need these steps. So let me remove this, save and close. And after that, we don't want this. For verification of project name, simply we have to write it here. Check that page contains stored value, because we have stored it value, and this will be generated name. After all this, I will click on add and run. So this will add a new test case for me and it will start executing. So this is how you have seen how we can add project automatically without writing any single line of code. And the script which is generated in just plain English language. So it means non-technical person can also add it and generate the complete regression shoots. That is the power of testRigor tool, where we can utilize this application into our major projects. Now you can see here execution has been started and all the screenshots are started generating. Every step screenshots will be captured in a nice way so that whenever you'll miss something, you can just have a look even after execution as well. Now you can see here unique name has been generated and you can see it is added into random alphabets here. Even we can specify or customize this name according to our requirement as well. So let's wait for the final execution and post that it will update with the status. Now you can see here execution has been completed and our test case is passed successfully. So this screenshot is verified which project has been created and it's saved into our generated keyword. So you can see here this is a project which is created, and after that this will verify the screenshot with this. So that's how we can automate our stuff of project creation in Rally using testRigor. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope this will be meaningful for you. If you have any queries or suggestions regarding these tools, add your comment in comment box and feel free to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.